Welcome to the channel, Healing here, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you my top 5 trademark keywords to stay away from. So these are keywords you do not want to publish under because this will get your account banned, and the last thing you want to do is get your account terminated, because Amazon self-publishing is one of the greatest opportunities that exists in this day and age to make passive income online and generate cash flow recurringly month after month after month, right? So you don't want to lose an opportunity like that because of something silly by publishing under a trademark keyword. So let's get into the video. So the first trademark keyword I want to talk about is Fortnite. Now this is a very popular game that's recently released. It's relatively new, a few years back. Now this keyword in particular, I know publishers who've made, thousands upon thousands of dollars using this particular keyword. And you do not want to publish under such keyword because it will get your account banned, because it's a name brand, and the last thing you want to do is publish under any name brand that exists. And this goes beyond just even Fortnite. This goes for, Nintendo guides, game guides, PlayStation guides, Xbox guides. So anything that's a name brand you want to stay away from. And there were even publishers, I don't want to go down, this rabbit hole, but there were publishers who sold courses that would use Fortnite, would use their earnings they got directly from Fortnite, and, use that as their social proof to show them, hey, they make, X amount of dollars, and that's why you should, buy their publishing course, because quote unquote, they, know the secrets to publishing, which, was very shady and unethical, because, they were using, or the person in particular was using, a trademark keyword, right? So that's for Fortnite. Now, the next one is the blood type diet. The blood type diet is another trademark keyword you don't want to publish under. I personally know a publisher who got banned for using this trademark keyword, and it was just innocent mistake. It wasn't intentional, but the person published under this keyword and got his account terminated because of that, right? And that's, again, the importance of doing your due diligence. I did a past video on doing your due diligence and how to do trademark keyword research. So you always want to do your due diligence, right? It can be intentional or unintentional, but nonetheless, if you're caught with a trademark keyword, you will get your account banned. All right. So Weight Watchers, another popular brand you do not want to publish under. There are some people who have published under Weight Watchers, to take their chance and have made substantial amounts of money. But again, it's black hat tactic. I don't recommend it. It's another trademark keyword you obviously want to stay away from, right? It's a brand. The 21-day sugar detox, another trademark keyword you want to stay away from. I've shared with you this trademark keyword in another video, I believe. And the last one, but not least, Amazon Echo, right? This, I think, is one of the biggest trademark keywords. I think that's pretty obvious that you don't want to publish under. It's under the Amazon, brand. This will definitely get your account banned. So don't publish under, the Amazon brand for this trademark keyword. It's not a smart idea. So that's going to be all for this video for trademark keywords, my top 5 ones to stay away from. There are obviously many more, but you're going to have to do your research on that. You can check out my video on how I do my trademark keyword research, so you can start emulating, my methods and do the same thing to keep your account in good standing and in compliance with Amazon. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.